Hello traders, I'm Rob Helmick, former attorney, and now I manage several funds with my wife, Maria, and she's a former banker. We have been trading about 125 trades a day in our larger accounts, but you asked us to create a smaller account with just $30,000 in it. So that's what we did. I started 90 days ago just doing 6 trades a day, as you can see by the thing here. At any rate, I would just want to give you a quick update on that account. Today is November 10th, 2025, and today we made $344.61 in that particular account. Last 90 days, it's up $6,935, and that's about 23% in the last 90 days. Here's a quick chart showing you the same thing. You can see, like I said, we funded this account for the challenge 90 days ago. We only put on 6 trades a day. And every Sunday, we're going to give you what the trades are for the whole week. We did that also this morning. Look for a video that looks like this. As you can see, the trades for this week are going on at 10:03, 12:02, 13:19, 14:42, 15:04, and 15:16. Also notice up there that there's a gambler's bonus, and that goes on at 15:52. That's a pretty profitable trade, but it's kind of a gamble because it's only with 8 minutes to go. All the other trades use about $5,000 in buying power because they're 50 wide. The gambler's bonus is only going to use about 2,800 in buying power because it's so late in the day. Now, all these are a put credit spread and a call credit spread. If you don't know what those are, you shouldn't be trading these. These are multiple entry iron condors. We're going to go on at $1.80 premium for the entire put credit spread and then $1.80 premium for the entire call credit spread. Each one's going to have a 95% stop loss on it. And we're going to go on at the times that we've specified here. If you have any questions, just let us know, but we're not asking for any payment. Like I said, we just want to let you know what we're doing in this account so you can see how we're trading in the smaller account because, like I said, a lot of people aren't able to do 125 trades a day. We do several million back tests every single weekend. We use Options Omega and some other custom-built software that we use that for. And typically we use almost all of our trading is done robotically in the SPX 0DTEs, and that's all done through Options Omega. And there's also a discount code below to get you 50% off on Options Omega. I think we get $15, which we give to the Humane Society for the animal, for the dogs. So at any rate, I hope you have a great trading day. Follow along with us in the trades, and I hope you have a positive winning trades this week. Thanks a lot, and have a great day. And I will turn this off.